is Mark. I'm Eva, and we're here at the amazing train station in Porto, Portugal. One of the most beautiful in the world, voted by Travel and Leisure. And of course, you will agree when you see these amazing tiles depicting the history of Portugal and the history of transportation. On top is the history of transportation, and below the blue and white tiles, the history of Portugal. Absolutely stunning. It's very crowded here, so you're going to see a lot of people in the photos, but I hope you're also going to appreciate how amazing this artwork is. These beautiful, beautiful tiles. Again, on the top, the history of transport, and below, the history of Portugal. So call us, Eva and Mark, and we're going to take you to beautiful Porto, all of Portugal, the US, and the world. I'm giving you the full 360. Just stunning. Oh, and these tiles depict the agriculture and the industry. So you see the shipping, and you see the farming, and you see more farming, and more shipping. Just loving this, so I can't get enough of it. Absolutely beautiful. Again, Eva and Mark, taking you all over the world to see everything beautiful, unique, stunning, meet the wonderful people, learn the culture, savor the food and the experience. Enjoy.